Hello, in this tutorial we're going to go over how to create a 3D pixel effect, and you'll see at the end how this looks. But to start out with, I've just copied and pasted a very colorful image. It could be really an image of anything, it doesn't have to be this one, but you might recognize this one from the last tutorial. And I'm going to go up here and grab my marquee tool, and I'm going to click and hold on my marquee tool and choose the single row marquee tool, which works a little differently than the other marquee tools because I don't have to click and drag to select an area. All I really have to do is click once, and you'll see I get a single row marquee. So I've got this single row marquee, and I'm going to go ahead and copy by pressing Control C on my keyboard, and then I'm going to create a new layer and press Control V as in victory, and I've copied that single row of pixels. So I'm going to turn off layer 1 by clicking on the eyeball here, and you can see now that I have this one row of pixels. So now that I have this one row of pixels, I'm going to press Control T, and that's going to give me a bounding box, and I'm just going to drag these pixels up. So now I have what you see in front of you, which is an expanded row of pixels. And I can expand this as much as I want, but I don't want to go too big because of what we're going to do next. So the next step is to make a copy of this layer, which I'm going to do just by right-clicking here and choosing Duplicate Layer. And it asks me if that's okay to call it Layer 2 Copy, and that makes perfect sense to me, so I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to switch over to my Move tool, which is on the left here, Move, and I'm going to move this copy so that it looks like one continuous extended row of pixels, what we've just created. And with this copy selected, I'm going to use the transform controls, which I can find in Edit and Transform, and you'll have three that you may want to use: the skew, distort, and perspective. I'm going to use perspective to start, and the way that works is if I grab this corner handle on the right corner and drag it towards the center, it will actually bring in the left handle as well, and you can see now that there is a little bit of an issue because I didn't have this perfectly lined up, but I can fix that in just a minute. So I have that drawn back. I'm going to go ahead and press Enter to accept those changes, and I still have my Move tool selected, so I'm just going to use my arrow key to adjust where this second layer, the layer 2 copy, rests against layer 2. And so what I've done is create a 3D effect very quickly and simply by using a couple of easy tools, the transform controls and the single row marquee. That's all there is to this project. You can do this horizontally as I've done, or you can use the vertical single column marquee tool and create a vertical 3D pixel effect. Very simple, easy to do. That's all for this tutorial.